Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove an object in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, Filmora will provide you with many features that would allow you to have more control on your videos and your objects. And one of them is by using the AI. So it depends really on what you want like to remove your objects for. For example, either you want like to remove an object from a background or like removing the background, etc. You can simply start choosing any kind of object that you would have in your video. So basically, an image is also considered as an object or anything. And you will have videos, you will have audios, etc. So now we can choose, for example, this image. And here in the AI tools, you would find many things. So basically here we can simply click on AI tools and you can select your object. And basically you will have, for example, an AI portrait cutout, a smart cutout, lens correction, etc. For example, if you want to cut anything, and basically here you can choose whatever you like to cut. So for example, you want to have this to be the remaining thing in your object, and now you can like add brush, edge thickness, etc. You click on save, and basically now it will start like adding or leave these objects from an image. So that means if you have like many images or many objects in your image, you could have like use the smart cutout so it can find your objects and then you can delete it or you can leave it or whatever you like. You have also the AI portrait cutout that would say, do the same. Also for videos, you would have like some smart also tools like you will have a smart cutout. So here I'm just going for this one and we want like just to leave this guy. And basically it will take time since it will need to render and track everything. And basically now you have like also here so we can use a keyframe and basically we want to leave the guy and basically here you will uh, start to uh, cut out and basically it will start track the process and then you will start having your objects that will be removed from your or isolated from your video. Basically, you will have like the delete, add button, etc. And now it is processing the tracking, and then you click save, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.